What's going on, y'all? JT with an unboxing and look at this. I'm going to call it the breaker. I got this from Banggood, so there's going to be a link in the description. This is going to run you 83 bucks with about 11 to 14 bucks in shipping. So you can get this for under $100. And this has actually got some really good features for the price you're paying for it. And when I unbox this, you guys will see that because it comes with some accessory stuff. It comes with some drift tires with it as well. And it's brushed, of course, but it has a LiPo battery and stuff with it. And you guys kind of see there, they're labeling it as the Udi 1601. Then they also have another one, 1602. So I may at some point look at the 1602 at some point, just to kind of get these two together and get a friend out and run them both. But for under $100, I think this is probably one of the best bangs you can get for this scale car under $100 because it does have working headlights and stuff on it as well, and it comes with a set of drift tires too. With it, so you get a set of regular street or all-purpose tires, then you get drift tires with it, and then it's got about 2 or 3 light functions with it as well, which I think is going to be a great feature. You could all control that from the radio. So let me go ahead and let me get this unboxed real quick, and let's see what we got inside here. And you guys know the smell-o-vision for this, and this little thing looks nice. Look at that. This right here is just plastic or foam that they put on top of a film that just to kind of protect the body and stuff. But look at that. That looks really good. And I know it's got working headlights and stuff. So let me go ahead and let me pull this out in all this glory and then kind of see what we got here. All right, y'all, pulling this out, this actually looks really good. I mean, it's got some, I don't know what to say. For the price you pay for it, this looks real good. Look at the layout and stuff of this. And look at the way this truck is just put together. The body is, at least. I mean, that's pretty good. And this rear wing, this is plastic. It's not Lexan or anything like that. So that's good. Now, there's a couple things you get with this as well. Of course, you get your instruction manual with this. And as always, I do recommend if this is your first car, just if you got a few minutes, just go ahead and look through the instruction manual. Familiarize yourself with the car and some of the features and stuff of this as well. Next, we're going to take a look at this radio. And you guys see this radio is actually pretty good. It's got a lot of functionality and stuff to it as well. You guys kind of see that screen come up there with some of the functionality of this radio here. And it also has functionality for the lights and stuff. So it does have a 3rd channel in there for the light and then the 4th channel as well. So I'm going to actually get all that plugged up and show you guys how these particular lights work and stuff with this. But you guys see this radio's got your basic trims and stuff on there as well, and servo and throttle reversing. So it does use 4 AA's. You guys can see that there. So I'll go ahead and pop 4 AA's in there. You don't get the AA's with it, but that's fine. I think for what you're paying, you're going to be fine with that. Now, looking at this and some of the goodies you get some pretty good goodies with this. Let me get this opened up real quick. So with this, you get tires with this. You do get a charger because it does come with a LiPo battery. And you get a couple of little extras in here as well. You get some tools to work on it and some extra body clips and stuff. But they actually give you a set of drift tires and wheels with this, which is good as well. So they're giving you a lot for your money, I think, with this particular kit, especially for under $100. And the biggest thing is going to be these working lights. I can't wait to get this plugged up to show you guys those light functionality. So getting this body off, these lights are plugged up over there. I'll pull it over to the side. The body doesn't feel cheap or anything like that, so it should be a pretty durable body with that. And then looking at these tires, this is some pretty good tread. Now, there's no foam or anything inside there, but it's going to be fine. This is a brush car, and it comes with a 380 motor, 380 brush size motor up in there. And you guys can see some of the specs and stuff with the servo and then even with the ESC and stuff as well. Now this is 17 grams, so not kilograms. So some of you guys were like, what, that's a powerful servo in there. But you guys can kind of do the math on that. But the layout of this is pretty good. I mean, I'm looking at this, and for what you're paying for this, I think this is going to be a pretty good car, because I've seen, like I said, videos of this kind of running around and stuff. And it's pretty durable, it's pretty fast, and they give you a set of drift tires and then a set of just all-purpose tires. You can kind of take this probably off-road just a little bit, not no thick grass, but you could probably get away running out there. And you get a LiPo battery and stuff with it as well, and it's 4-wheel drive, so I think that's good as well. Looking at the underside of the chassis, of course, this is straight flat down here. Excuse me, which is what it needs to be, so nothing will get caught up as you're running this down here or running it on road stuff. So that'll be fine with that. But let me go ahead and let me get some AA inside this radio, and let's go ahead and plug this bad boy up and take a look at these light functions real quick. Alright y'all, I dimmed down the lights some because I wanted to show you guys this. These light features on his car are really good, and of course the servo is plenty fast. Look at that, there with that. So like I said before, they have this third channel kind of for the lights and stuff. You press the button once and you see it also has tail lights and stuff as well, and those are just going to be your base lights. Then you press it again, it's got a little red ring around there which you guys can see there, and press it again, it goes off. I did see, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. That looks nice. That's gonna look good driving late at night there. There's no tail lights with this particular mode, but that's kind of like if you were driving your car and you just kind of put your fog lights on. That looks really, really nice right there. And of course, there it is with those, I guess I'm gonna call them the fog lights, and then the regular headlights showing there. So it does have the tail lights showing. So that is cool, guys. That's really, really cool. I really do like that they did this functionality to this car. So like I said, there's nothing bad I can say about this from looking at this from the very beginning and just seeing some of this functionality here with this. And then of course that servo is pretty fast there, looking at that. So you guys, I'm gonna get this up and running real soon, but I did kind of want to unbox this, show this to you guys, put a link down in the description because I did see that they kind of were selling out pretty quick as well. So you guys may want to think about getting you one if you want to get one as well, and there's a link in the description for it. But I'm definitely gonna get this out running and doing some night running with this. That's just too cool. That's that's cool. RC cars all need to include lights from this point going forward with some functionality like that. I can see people just buying this kit just for the lights and doing something else with the lights. I can see you guys kind of doing that already. So anyway, guys, put your comments down below. I'm going to try to get this up and running as soon as I can. I'm going to do some, I guess, evening running so we can run it with the light setting stuff so you guys can see that, and then do some test running. And then I'll do a speed test run with it too. It's probably not going to be super fast, but for what you're getting here and some of the videos I've seen with it should be fine out the box brushed. And I know some of you guys may go brushless and all that, and then we'll talk about if we're going to change out the electronic stuff, because it will affect a couple things if you change out the electronics. We'll think about brushless and stuff like that later on. So anyway, guys, put your comments down below, forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna be playing with these lights for just a minute.